I ask someone to lead the prayer? Okay, Miss Ruda? Thank you. So now, I will check your attendance. Say present when I call your name. Okay, very good. Everyone is present. So now, before we discuss our new lesson, let's have a quick review. Who can remind us what we discussed last time? I repeat, who can remind us what we discussed last time? Okay, Miss Dagamon? Very good. Our topic last time, we talked about offline, reported by Miss Samoya. So now, I have here, okay, very good. Today, we're talking about something very meaningful. A story that teaches us how to love and accept ourselves just the way we are. So now, I have here a picture. Let's see what is this picture. So do you notice about this picture? What do you think skin color affect a person's beauty or worth? Okay, very good. So everyone is beautiful in their own way. That's why this story is perfect for this topic. So our story is talk about The Skin I'm In by Sharon G. Flake. So before we discuss the whole story, so I will introduce you the writer of this story. So the writer of this story is Sharon G. Flake. Sharon G. Flake was born December 25, 1995. Is an American writer of children and young adult literature who live in Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. So Miss Agusan and Miss Abanilla, kindly distribute to your classmates. So this story talk about a girl named Malika Madison, a 13 years old who was bullied by her classmate because of his dark skin. Gibully siya sa classmate because of his dark skin. Gichismis siya. Sumana, mauwaw siya mas pila tungod kay gibully siya classmate. So now, one day, there are a beautiful girl going to the school. Muna nakakita si Malika na usa ka babae na padulong sa eskwelahan. Nga confident siya mulakaw. So now, iyan isunod. So na estudyante sa hallway. Then, mulabay si Miss Saunders. Kung nakakita ang mga estudyante o gichismisan siya tungkol sa iyang appearance. Because si Miss Saunders is a dark skin na siya puntik-puntik sa iyang iyang kalawasan. So Miss Saunders, iyang ibaliwala ang mga chismis sa mga estudyante o sa pagbuli sa mga estudyante ni Miss Saunders. Then, si Miss Malika, sige gyapon siya sunod ni Miss Saunders hangtod miabot sa office. Then, nakabantay man si Miss Saunders nga naisig sunod-sunod niya, so which is si Malika. So mga to, nakabantay man si Miss Saunders, iyang ipakita ni Malika Madison kung unsa siya confident sa iyang kabilingon. Bisan pag itong pa siya, bisan pag tiyahang now, nagkapuntik-puntik, iyang ibaliwala. Because beauty is not about skin color. Beauty is about strength, intelligence, and kindness you are. Mga to, tunod nga sige nagbantay si Malika ni Miss Saunders, naka-alert siya kadugayan. Tunod nga naka-alert siya nga dapat dili mo ikaw lang imong kaugalingon. Because beauty is not about skin color. Bisan pag itong ka, wala siya nagbasi sa imong kaugalingon. Wala siya nagbasi sa imong appearance. Skin color, beauty is about intelligence and kindness and strength. And then, naka-learn man siya sa mga nga sige siya appeal sa mga activities sa eskwelahan. Sige siya appeal sa mga miss, mga unsa ng mga program sa ilang eskwelahan. Iyang ibaliwala ang maestria sa mga laikaw about niya tungkol sa iyang skin color. So now, I have a question. Just raise your right hand if you want to answer. I repeat, just raise your right hand Madison? I repeat, who is Malika Madison? Okay, Miss Samuya? Okay, very good. Miss Malika Madison, he is 13 years old who was bullied by her classmates because of her appearance. So next question, why is she ashamed of herself? I repeat, why is she ashamed of herself? Miss Samuya, you want to answer? Okay, very good. She is ashamed because she thinks the dark skin makes her less beautiful than others. So next question. Who helped her change her attitude? I repeat, who helped her change her attitude? So Miss Dagangon? Okay, very good. Her teacher or Miss Saunders helped her gain confidence. So let's proceed to the last question. What lesson can we learn from her story? I repeat, what lesson can we learn from her story? Miss Dagangon? Okay, very good. We should accept and love ourselves, no matter our skin color or appearance. So now, let's proceed group activity. So this is group 1 and this is group 2. Then, select one student to represent in front of our class to explain what his reflection about this story. So now, I have here our rubrics. So before we proceed our group activity, I will show you the rubrics for group reflection. So first, content 40%. So reflection show clear understanding of the story message and moral lesson. So next is relevance 30%. Sharing relates to self, acceptance, confidence, and respect for others. So next, number 3, clarity and expression 20%. So the representative speak clearly and confidently during presentation. So next is for teamwork 10%. So all group members contributed to the discussion. So now I will give you 5 minutes and proceed to your group now. So now, the time is over. Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to our assessment. Get your green notebook and your ball pen. Only your green notebook and your ball pen. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the assessment. So we check your answer when the time is over. I will give you 5 minutes to answer. So now let's check your answer. The time is over. So first question, who is the author of the Skin I'm In? Miss Bertudaso? Okay, very good. The author of the Skin I'm In is Sharon G. Lay. Number 2, what made Malika feel ashamed? Just raise your right hand if you want to answer. Miss Said. Okay, very good. She is ashamed because she thinks her dark skin makes her less beautiful than others. So next, number 3, what did Miss Saunders teach her? Okay, Miss Agusan. Okay, very good. Isuduan siya ni Miss Saunders kung sa siya ka-confident sa iyang kagalingon. Iyang ipakita ni Miss Saunders kung sa siya ka-confident sa iyang kagalingon na bisa nga ipang-chismis siya student. Now, so let's proceed number 4. What is the main moral lesson of the story? Okay, Miss Marquia. Okay, very good. The main moral of lesson, be proud of what we have. Atong dawaton usay na nga nato. Because beauty is not about skin color. Beauty is about strength, intelligence, and kindness you are. So now, just raise your right hand for those who got a perfect score. Okay, very good. We have 5 students got a perfect score. How about the others? Okay, 3. Okay, very good. Proceed to our assignment. So get your green notebook, then write to your green notebook the next of your assessment. So we have assignments. So write a short essay about this story, 5 to 7 sentences. So this is the questions. How can we promote confidence and self-acceptance among students? I repeat, how can we promote confidence and self-acceptance among students? Are you done? Okay, very good. So before we end our class, I want you to always remember that I want you to always remember that your color, your looks, and your differences make you unique. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of what we have. Be proud of our skin. Because beauty is not about skin color. Beauty is about strength, kindness, and intelligence. This quote means that everyone is special in their own way. So your skin color, appearance, and personality are part of what makes you. So you don't need to look like others to be beautiful or worth. It reminds us to love ourselves and to be confident even if we are different. Because those differences are what make us unique and beautiful. Always remember that beauty is not about skin color. Bisan pag maitong pa ka, wa siya nag-isgot kung sa kagwapa. Di porkit nga itong ka, maot na kang pagkataw, daotan na kang pagkataw. Di pasabot nga puti ka mapagkataw, gwapa na kang pagkataw, hindog na kang pagkataw. Always remember that be confident what we have. So now, we're done. So do you have any clarifications? Our